Welcome to Limits with Trigonometric Functions. So the first thing I want you to do is just to use your calculator, make sure it's in radian mode, and find correct to 3 decimal places the following. So just sine of a really tiny number, tan of the same tiny number, and cos of the same tiny number. And what you should find is that when you press sine and tan of that really tiny number, you pretty much get that number back. It's when you round it, you do. When you do cos, you actually get 1. And this leads us to a rule, which is that the limit as x approaches 0, so as x gets really tiny, sine of whatever that value is equal to that value, or approximately equal to that value, we say. And tan is the same, whereas in cos, as the limit gets really tiny, cos approaches 1. This can be seen, I guess, if you were to look at the graphs as well. So as we approach 0, sine and tan get closer to 0, whereas in cos approaches 1. So let's look at just a couple of quick examples. So a limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x, sine 5x over x, and tan 2x over 3x. So the first one, when we do the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x, so the rule said as x approaches 0, the limit for sine x approaches x, so we end up with x over x, and we end up with 1. The limit as x approaches 0 of sine 5x, well, that's going to approach 5x. So you get 5x over x, which is 5. And finally, if we have the limit as x approaches 0 of tan 2x, then the tan of 2x approaches 2x, and so we get 2x over 3x, which is 2/3. Thank you.